Break. Break. She's gonna have this. Jolie, come. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Break. I'm gonna give it a second. Let her get.
Can you try to tell us when and if you're using the remote collar?
Yeah, I haven't used it yet, but I will if I ask her to come or give her any command. And one Mississippi goes by and she doesn't comply, I will tap and ask again. Jolie, come! She's come. Good girl. Sit. That is a good girl. Come. Jolie, come. I tap. There. Come. I tapped again at a higher level. Place. Good girl. So every time I ask, if she doesn't comply, I give her a correction on the e-collar. Every time I have to ask, it goes up higher. So that time I started at 20, so I tapped on 20, and then when she didn't respond, I tapped it on the boost, which I believe goes up on hers. It might go up 10 or 15 or something like that. I can't remember. Break. Good job. So I'm trying to do something different with her. I don't want it to be very too predictable. I want it to feel more like real life. So I'm actually going to release her and let her wander around the house and then give her a command, just as recall it into place. And then break her and let her get free again, let her say hi to people, and then call her. Because I want her to I want to deepen her understanding of the commands, and I want her to get distracted. So it's really good. She's going to get distracted with real life distractions, and she's going to be coming at the commands at different angles. Like the place bed should be coming at a different angle. She'll be coming to me from different angles and from different rooms. So she's going to get a deeper understanding of it. So we're going to move this bad boy upstairs. And I'm just going to kind of try to pretend that we're living with Jolie today. So there is going to be more calling her around and giving her commands than you actually would if you were living with her. But I want it to feel very organic. So here's the threshold. Okay. Jolie, okay. We gotta watch this situation here. Turn on some lights here. Yeah. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Good. Down. Good. I'm gonna go grab us a place bed. Break. Good girl. Good girl. So it's not about duration today. We did duration earlier. We did 5 hours of duration on place, and she did really good. Right now, it was about understanding of the words, even when she's distracted in kind of like a real life setting. So I'm not going to be keeping her in these commands very long. I'm just going to kind of, and the reward is letting her go back out and be free and kind of interact with the people around the house. Okay. Oh, there's no issues there, huh? Good job. Yeah, there you go. There you go. What's that? One of her things is out, so I started teaching her that too. Oh, there you go. Just say it in passing, she'll let go. Good job. Yeah. Out. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Out. Good. Good girl. Break. Come on. Break. Good job. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Out. Good. Good. Yeah, nice. Good job. Out. Good girl.